Hey everybody, Mr. Olshan here. Today we are covering three Latin roots: spect, struct, and ject. The first Latin root we're going to look at is spect, which means to watch, look, see, or observe. A few examples of the Latin root spect include inspect, which is to look at closely; suspect, which is to have an idea without certain proof; spectator, which is a person who watches; and introspection, which is observation of one's own mental process. A few examples of spect in a sentence. The first one spectator threw a banana peel onto the stage. The next one, Aunt Agatha wore spectacles for 60 years. The next Latin root we're going to cover is struct, which means to build or devise or to put together. A few examples of struct. First one, construct, which is to build; destructive, which is to cause intentional damage; obstruct, which is to get in the way of; or constructive, which is tending to build up. A few examples of some sentences using struct. First one, Bobby can construct a house made of cards. And Professor Wordsmith will instruct your son. The last Latin root we're going to look at is ject, which means to throw. A few examples of ject. The first one is injection, which is to force or drive; reject, which is to drive away; project, which is extended outward; and interjection, an abrupt remark or interruption. A few examples of ject in sentences. Throw the image up on the screen with this projector, or an adjective is used to modify a noun. Take a moment and review the exercise and see how you can test your knowledge. Feel free to pause the video at this point and write down your answers. Now we're ready to review the answers. Number 1, ject, is to build or devise or to put together. Number 2, spect, is to throw. And number 3, struct, is to look, watch, see, or observe. Feel free to go back and replay any portion of the video if you'd like to review.